Hello there, this is Software Sensei and welcome back to our part 4 video where this time I'll be demonstrating you on how to add images, how to insert them into HTML into the web page. So enough talking, let's get right into this video. If you like the other previous video, please make sure to put a thumbs up, and if you're new, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading this video more about HTML, CSS. Also to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Alright guys, so to add an image, around an image, you then need to search from the internet. So to do this, you click on search web to search any image. So I would like to search a cat. Once you search out the image, you click on images. And there are lots of images of nice cats to choose from. So I'll choose this one here. Once you choose an image, you click on right click, save image as, rename your file name called cat.png. You could rename any file name, it's up to you. Click on all files or any file type. Once you click save, it will download automatically for you. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. So once you downloaded an image, you would right click on the desktop display, click on new, create a new folder, and call this one images. Once you create the folder, you click here, and this folder is empty. You can now insert the folder from the downloads section. So once you found your file, you drag the file, you copy Control C and Control V, and then you add to your folder, which is images here. There we go. So once you downloaded the image and created the folder, you'll then click on, you open Visual Studio Code first and click File and Open File and click on Quick Access and Desktop. Scroll down to your folder you created, which is here, Images. Click Open, and as you can see, your folder is here. So once you display an image of a cat, you'll then need to display an image tag. So an image tag or an element basically represents an image. Basically it allows the web page, the user to insert an image. And this one here, SRC, stands for an URL, which shows an URL link to the actual image that I got here. As you can see, cat.png, that's the link. So then I'll type cat.png as the link. And then it shows an alternative text description of the image. So I'll say this is a cat which has 4 legs and whiskers. There we go. Here's an alternative text of the cat and the description. You can probably add a height as well as height to decrease the image, which I'll put 100 pixels probably for height, and width as well as 200 pixels. There we go. If we refresh, This is now the image which now been shrunken. So this time, if you want to add a URL link to the image, I recommend you to use the href tag. It's better to use an href tag so that other users can click the image and click on the element on the page. So once you add a href tag, you add a hyperlink. So you click on Wikipedia or any web page, and then Control C, Control V, it will take you to the web browser and select here. As you can see, it's now been pasted, which now I can save. Let's check to see if it's working. Yes, now it's working. Now it's taking me to the web page, to the Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia page. I would like to wrap up this video here. Please make sure to hit a like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. This is your boy Software Sensei. I'm out. Peace.